This is the Blue Ridge Commerce Center West. This was a 111-acre site that Trammell Crow acquired. They put up these commercial industrial buildings. They approached us. They wanted a boundary survey, ALTA survey on this. There were several different parcels that we put together for them. Then after that, we went in, we did the drone topography on this site to determine the elevations. We also did topography up and down McCard Road so they could bring utilities in here. We supplied control for the site for the construction services. And the last portion that we're doing right now is the final ALTA for the as-bills for the buildings and the pavement and the concrete. The ALTA survey is the highest level of standard that you can actually perform a boundary survey to. Anything that's on that piece of property, you need to show it, even down to the trees, the landscaping, the irrigation, everything on that piece of property has to be shown on there. And you have certain categories and table items that a client wants to have. It can be anywhere from photogrammetry with the site all the way to vertical relief, a topo. There's all kinds of different items that a client could select for an ALTA survey. The drone services, we use the drone with the LiDAR payload typically to fly the site in order to get topography information on the ground, which instead of using the typical conventional crew to go out there and collect your topo, they're actually using the LiDAR. There's a light beam that reflects off the ground and reflects back up to our unit. And with that, then we can determine exactly the elevations on the ground without actually physically walking the ground then.
Started out at 111 acres on this side. We started with raw land. There was nothing out here. They had a design and an idea, and we helped it come alive. But there was a lot of research and a lot of stuff with this particular project that took some digging and a lot of work to get it put together for them. Right when we get the project, we do the proposal, and once it's done, we come out here and I work with the field crews and I get them started, get all the layout. I do the research to give to the field crew so they can come out here and do the on-site work.
This here being a commercial development, we'll do the boundary survey for the client's acquisition of the property. Then typically we'll do a topographic survey for engineering design. We'll prepare any easements that are needed to cover their infrastructure that's going to be put down, platting, construction staking, do final as-built to close out the project, take it from A to Z.